Morning, Hell, Lexi. Yan, morning jogging tayo. Sarap talaga ng feeling pagka nakakapag-jogging. You like jogging, Lexi?
Yeah.
You like it, Hell?
Yeah.
Ah, ang sarap. With this beautiful view. I love it. Ito pa. Go! Go! Go, Dexty!